Welcome to this unidentified channel. Today, we are going to talk about Melanie Gibb and the subpoena that she was served when she was in Rexburg testifying in front of the grand jury. And we're starting right now. The way I'm going to do this is put this reading, since it took forever to get through it, at the end of the video, and we'll talk about the actual subpoena and then what came out today. Did you see that Melanie Gibb got subpoenaed by Mark Means? He requested hellacious information from her, very detailed, from a broad variety of people, a broad variety of sources. He wants telephone records, text messages, emails, phone conversations, in-person conversations, dates, times, places. He wants burner phone numbers. He wants business phone numbers, anything that happened on podcast, any kind of correspondence with about 25 or 30 different people listed. Some of the dates mentioned, they all are to present, but some of the dates go back. He goes back to January 2019, and then he goes back to January 2018, and then he goes back to January 2017. He's requested travel information, whether you traveled by car or by airplane to Utah, Arizona, Hawaii, Idaho. It's a massive amount of information. Now, the way I understand it, Melanie Gibb tried not to receive this subpoena. She tried to deny it. She made some kind of remark about she would call Rob Wood. On June 8th, Mark Means filed another court document. That court document is in regard to the subpoena that was served to Melanie Gibb. Mark Means electronically filed declared motion to show cause regarding contempt for failure to comply with lawfully served subpoena. He wants Melanie Gibb held in contempt of court for not producing the information that was requested of her. He wants to know why she shouldn't be held in contempt of court. He says, to date, no response whatsoever has been received by Ms. Gibb and or by a legal representative of Ms. Gibb. At the time of service, Ms. Gibb stated she would, quote, refuse service and was calling prosecutor Wood. Ms. Gibb was lawfully served with the attached subpoena while Ms. Gibb was physically present in the state of Idaho and allowed ample time to comply with said subpoena. The defense believes that Ms. Gibb has possibly evaded criminal prosecution regarding incidents relevant to the above cases, has engaged in inappropriate private communications, including phone calls, emails, and text messages with the above said prosecution, and has made multiple conflicting statements regarding her personal knowledge, actions, inactions in regard to the above case. And compliance with the subpoena is the initial first step to address these concerns. Whew! Burning up, guys. We'll see what happens with that document that's been filed. I don't know what's going to happen. As far as we know, Melanie Gibb has not lawyered up, but time will tell. If you haven't already, let me know where you're watching from. Thanks for being here with me, and I will see you next time. So this happened, well, the date, Mark Means, let's see, is there a date on here? Today, we are going to talk about Melanie Gibb and the subpoena she was served, which so it took forever. Today, and we have been notified, or on June 8th, and that court document is in regard. Mark Means filed. The defense believes Melanie Gibb and the subpoena she was served was when she was in Rexburg. All right, so Mark Means filed this subpoena with the District Court of the 7th District of the 7th Judice. You are hereby commanded to produce. You are hereby commanded or. Okay, start over. Whether she took them, it was reported that whether she took them or not. So did you see, you've been asked to, and has made multiple confusing, all right. All right.